Types of fruits, fruit structure, and seed dispersal. Engaging introduction, broad to narrow. Living organisms are well organized. Cells form tissues, tissues form organs, and organs work together. Plants are organized in the same way. Today, we'll focus on fruits, their types and structure, and how they help in seed dispersal. What is a fruit? A fruit is the mature ovary of a flower formed after fertilization, and it contains seeds. It helps the plant by protecting seeds, helping in seed dispersal, supporting the growth of a new plant. Example: a mango fruit forms from the flower's ovary and protects the seed inside. Fruit structure. The fruit wall is called the pericarp, and it usually has 3 layers. Exocarp, outer layer, skin. Mesocarp, middle layer, often fleshy. Endocarp, inner layer around the seed, often hard. Example: mango. Peel equals exocarp, pulp equals mesocarp, stone equals endocarp. In some fruits, the pericarp becomes dry and non-fleshy, dry fruits. Inside, the seed contains the embryo, baby plant. Types of fruits, simple classification. Fruits are classified based on how they form. Comparison. Simple fruits develop from one ovary of one flower. Aggregate fruits develop from many ovaries of a single flower. And multiple fruits develop from ovaries of many flowers in an inflorescence. 1. Simple fruits from one ovary. Fleshy fruits, mango, tomato, guava. Dry fruits, dehiscent, split open at maturity to release seeds. Pea, bean. Indehiscent, do not split open at maturity. Wheat, sunflower. 2. Aggregate fruits from many ovaries of one flower. Example: strawberry. 3. Multiple fruits from many flowers in a cluster. Examples: pineapple, jackfruit. Seed dispersal, how seeds spread. Plants spread seeds to reduce overcrowding and reach better places to grow. Main methods: wind dispersal. Light seeds with wings or hairs are carried by air currents. Cotton, dandelion. Water dispersal. Floating fruits, seeds with fibrous husks or air spaces travel by water. Coconut. Animal dispersal. Animals move seeds either after eating fruits or when seeds stick to their bodies. Eaten fruits. Sweet, juicy fruits attract animals. Seeds are later dropped away from the parent plant. Guava, berries. Hooked seeds. Hooks/spines cling to fur or clothes. Xanthium. Explosion dispersal. The fruit dries and suddenly splits, scattering seeds. Pea, balsam. Gravity dispersal. Heavy fruits fall and may roll to spread seeds away from the parent plant. Mango, apple. Real-life application. Farmers use knowledge of seed dispersal when planning crop spacing and harvesting, and when managing weeds that spread easily. Evolutionary significance. Fruits and seed dispersal gave flowering plants a major evolutionary advantage. By spreading seeds away from the parent plant, they reduced competition for sunlight, water, and nutrients. Dispersal also helped plants colonize new habitats and survive changing environments. This is why angiosperms became the most diverse and successful plant group on Earth. Let's summarize today's topic. 1. A fruit is the mature ovary formed after fertilization, and it contains seeds. 2. The fruit wall, pericarp, has exocarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. In some fruits, it is dry and non-fleshy. 3. Simple fruits come from one ovary of one flower. Aggregate fruits from many ovaries of one flower. multiple fruits from many flowers in an inflorescence. 4. Simple fruits can be fleshy or dry. Dehiscent, split open. Indehiscent, do not. 5. Seeds disperse by wind, water, animals, explosion, and gravity using adaptations like wings, hooks, or floating husks. 6. Seed dispersal improves survival, supports plant evolution, and helps farmers with crop planning and weed control. Fruits are not just for eating, but are essential structures that protect seeds and ensure the survival and spread of flowering plants.